Gosh. Are you supposed to shave before you do this? What is up, you guys? I cannot figure out this hair. This hair is crazy. I seriously feel like I look like Beyonce or somebody with my hair this curly and like frizzy. I just feel important, you know? Let's see if this banana clip can save whatever is going on here. Alright friends, I feel like that is good enough. It's about as good as it's ever gonna get. It's very late right now. Very late. It's like midnight. Honestly, I just really want to get this video filmed because my armpits are very hairy and my hair is very overgrown because I grew it out for this video, and y'all, I'm over it. My hair is way too long. Alright guys, well, let's hop into today's video. The real reason that we are here. I have been meaning to film this video for so long. I've been so excited because this is going to be one of like the coolest collaborations I've ever done, but I seriously had to wait forever because I accidentally shaved and didn't realize that I didn't have any hair to film this video with. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna grow it all out. I'm gonna wait forever. I'm gonna like get it to like be really long, and we're going to really test this sucker. So let's go ahead and open this box together. So when you, that's just like the instruction manual, but this is from the brand Kior. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I really hope that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. Alright guys, but when you first open the box, this is what it looks like. I am so pumped for this. You guys have no idea. So this again is from the brand Kior. It's K-I-O-R. So right off the bat, I really love actually how small and compact this is. Like, it doesn't seem very small because it is like the palm of my hand, but at the same time, like, this is so travelable, and I feel like you guys would be able to really take this places with you and not have it be like overwhelming. I'm just gonna take the little sticker off. So I'm actually quite confused because it came with a razor, and then it actually came with some glasses. Oh my gosh. Are you supposed to shave before you do this? I'm so sad. It says remove or shave the hair on the skin surface before using the instrument. Do you guys know how long I waited and waited because I thought I needed hair to do this and let my hair grow out? I'm so sad. Okay, well, since I can't use this tonight, I'm gonna have to use it tomorrow or something after I shave. This says there is some precautions with this instrument. It says this device is not suitable for people with impaired skin, people who have allergic dermatitis, eczema, which I have eczema, and other skin diseases, and those with allergies. Pregnant women and women who are menstruating or breastfeeding, and those who have been suntanning in the past 2 weeks. That makes me a little nervous because I do have pretty sensitive skin and I have eczema, but I'm 100% down to continue and try it out. So I'm actually going to do a patch testing. I think I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and just see like what my skin does and see if I have any reaction to it before I like go full in on my body. Alright guys, so I do have it plugged in now, and now that you guys can see, it says off right here. I'm not gonna look directly into this because it says not to look directly at the light. That's why there's glasses, but I'm just not gonna look at it. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so we have it on. I don't know if you guys can really see this or not. It's just basically showing a little fan, and then it actually shows, I think it's actually in here, it shows like the number of flashes, whatever that means. But it's just gonna be this big button here. I'm nervous, but I do. Oh, it turned off automatically. I am not even gonna lie to you. It actually stings a little. Ah, yeah, like, it almost feels like a like a pinch or like a bug bit you, or I don't know how to describe it. It's so weird. Try not to look at it because it says not to directly look at the light. But like I'm not looking up in it, you know? Like I wonder if it's okay to at least just see the flash on my arm. I don't know. Honestly, you guys, I have no idea about anything about laser hair removal. I don't know like the long-term benefits. I'm sure it's going to allow you to like not shave as much or like have as much like ingrown hairs. Like I know basic stuff, but like obviously one-time use is like not gonna do jack squat, I feel like, because it's like not taking the hair off that's on my arm. But I'm wondering, like, after you use it so repetitively that it's gonna like probably promote, or not promote, but reduce hair growth and like basically allow you to shave less in a sense. But I am really curious to see how this is going to work out over time. I'm really interested to see how well it works. But as for right now, I'm not having any super big sensitivity to it. It does say to wait some time. But like as for right now, yeah, I don't see any like crazy reactions. But we'll definitely have to come back and actually like do this on other areas. I feel like this is gonna like hurt a little bit under my armpit. I'm a little nervous, but y'all, I need to shave. Alright friends, it is a different day. I am back. I swear to God I shaved my armpits. It's just been a few days, like 2 days maybe, since I have shaved them last. So, yeah. I wanted to test this out. And I wanted to test it out on my armpits because I didn't get to last time. I have a feeling it's going to be a little sensitive because this is going to be a sensitive area. But again, this is a little machine here that I showed before. And then we'll just turn it on. Guys, I got my hair done today and I love it. Just so much more like healthier looking, and I just got some like really nice like baby lights with like this caramely color, and I'm obsessed. I love it. I feel so much more confident and better. My hair was looking a hot mess express. And I swear I'm not picking my nose. This is actually just getting really annoying. It's like a fake nose ring that you can just like put in your nose instead of actually like, getting your nose pierced because I'm a chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. I'm actually really nervous. Oh, it's not terrible. Not as bad as I thought. And I don't want to look at it because it says you're not supposed to, but I don't want to wear the glasses. I don't know. So you can actually increase the energy that it gives. I had no idea. I had it on the lowest setting. So you actually just press this a few times and it increases that. So I'm going to go ahead and try this now. More like energy or whatever it's called. But I'm really nervous now because I wonder if it's like hurts more with the more energy. I have no idea. But we're going to try it. Yeah. So it's not like more painful, but it just feels a lot warmer. Like it just feels really warm, if that makes sense. I do think this is going to be nice because I get married next year and my like biggest insecurity is my underarms. So I feel like if this helps with like making them less dark or like less like really dark like stubbly hair growth, I'll be like really happy. But it's definitely going to take a few times. Okay, I was doing a little bit of reading, and it does say not to flash over a previous treated area. So like if you've already done one spot, don't go over it again. So keep that in mind. That you can continue to use the device for 6 months and increase the frequency. And then another thing that I am so glad that I read on paper is that you can't use this down there. You can only really use it like on your armpits, your arms, your legs. It says not to use it on the nipple area, down there, not on like a scrotum, penis, stuff like that. Not inside your nostrils or your ears, stuff like that. So some of that's common sense, but I definitely would have used it down there if I didn't read that. So Alright guys, but that is all that I had for this video and this quick little review. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys check down in the description box. I will have their website linked for you guys. But other than that, I thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!